In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually create what an active email account. That's Gmail account without phone number. Yes, I know thousands of persons have been facing this difficulty, especially when you are doing online work and it warrants you creating email frequently. Normally I guess per line that should be 3 or 4 accounts maximum that you can actually be able to create with that particular line. Imagine buying lines to create email. That's huge a lot and it's kind of stressful. Do you understand? So in this video, guys, I'm going to give you that tricks. I'm going to give you that method that I have actually been using to create my emails without phone number, and it's working perfectly. And the amazing part of this, the emails are active. It works exactly whatever you want to do with the email. So if today is your first time tuning to my channel and you love videos like this, do it to like this video, share this video, drop your comment, subscribe to this video, and lastly turn on notifications, and so you don't knock out whenever I drop a new tutorial video like this, guys. And without further ado, let's just dive into the full tutorial video. And don't forget, what we are talking about here today is how you can create a Gmail account without phone number. So guys, let's go into it. Now guys, this is what you need to do. So once you come to this part, all you need to do is just to scroll down, then click on your settings button here, which is this. So once you click on this your settings button, it will take you straight to your phone settings. Do you understand? So once you come to this part, what you need to do next is this. You have to click on your password and account. But if you did not see anything like password and account, this is what you need to do, guys. So click on your account and backup. So just click on account. So once you click on account, this will pop up. Good, but this is not what we are actually looking for. So what you need to click now is you click on your manage account. I don't know if you are seeing it on top here. So you click on manage account. So once you click on manage account, this pops up. So all you need to do now is just to click on add account. Do you understand? Do not forget, we want to create email account without phone number, and it's working perfectly, guys. It is working perfectly. So please do well to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, drop your comment, and lastly, please turn on your notification sign. It is very, very important. Good. So once you come to this part now, what you need to do is just to click on add account below. So once you select on add account, these are the options you need to look at. So let's assume that the account you want to add is about Google, or is about Facebook, or is about Samsung, anything you want to create an account on. But for the sake of this tutorial, the account I want to create is about Google. So I have to click on Google. Now once you click on Google, let's wait for it. As you can see, it will redirect you and ask you to put the password that you are using to lock your phone normally. So all I need to do is just to unlock my phone like I locked it. Good. Then after that, this will redirect, and this is why I said your data must be on, so the networking will be very okay and standard for you. Good. Now, so now that this stop has come to this part, now this is what you need to do, guys. This is what you need to do. So click on create account, not login in this time around, because you want to create a new Google account for yourself. Do you understand? So you click on this create account, then you need to select for my personal use. So you click on personal use. Now this comes up. Now next thing you need to do is just to put in the name that you want to create the account with. So this is how I will do it. Let me just put a random name. I will be like King Solo. This King, that's the first name. Then the surname should be Solomon, something like it. King Solomon. Then after that, you click on next. Normally I know thousands of you know how to create a Google account. So now here you just have to put the details you think is suitable for you. So I'll be using 25th month. Let me use September. Then year, that's 1999. So let me use 1999. Then here you select your gender, if you are male or female, but this I want to use just female. Then you click on next, guys. So let's see the next stage it will take us to. Good. Now here they says create a Gmail account for signing into your Google account. So now here you need to create your Gmail. So I will be like King Solomon. I just use King Solomon at gmail.com. You see that? Then after that, Solomon at gmail.com. Then I have to click next. Then look at what they say there. Sorry, only letters A to Z and period are allowed. Okay, I think I have to just select because this stuff is here already. So what I need to create is just my username. Sorry, so I've used King Solomon. Then I have to click next. Now they will give you suggestions of, available. Can you see this username is taken? Try another one. Okay, I will be like King Solo 01, King Solo 01 at gmail.com. So this is just for you to select, a Gmail, like a username for your Gmail. So let me use the King Solo. Let me just put the King Solo, the King Solo 001 at gmail.com. Then let's see if this one too is taken. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So at this point, as you can see, the email is taken. Like, is the email is not taken, it is approved. Now you need to create your password, guys. So to do that, I will just use my random password. So I will just use my random password. So this is my random password, and I have to click on next. Then after that, let's see what pops up next, guys. So don't forget, guys, support me by subscribing, like this video, drop your comment, subscribe, like this video, drop your comment, and lastly share this video so it can get to more people. As you can see, our email is ready. Now look at what they said I should do. I have to confirm that I'm the one, so I have to click yes, I am in. Then after that, now can you see the account has been created? Review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. Are you seeing that? Then this is just the email I just created. So all I have to do is just to click on next. No phone number was asked, nothing, and as you can see, it is approved, like very, very approved, guys. So I have to click I agreed, and that is the end. Automatically the email will be added to your phone, and with this, guys, you are good to go using this email to do anything you want to do. As you can see, they are signing the email in on my mobile phone, guys. So this is just the easiest way you can actually do this, guys. And please let me know in the comment section if this actually works out for you, guys. Thank you for watching this great length. I love you all, and please do where to stay with me, for another. Subscribe so YouTube always gets you notified whenever I drop a new tutorial video like this. So as you can see, the email is located here. That's kingsolo001 at gmail.com. Thank you, guys, and see you guys on my next tutorial video. I love you all.